5 answers on the board. Name a part of your body that makes sounds others can hear.
Your mouth.
Your mouth. Uncle Jesse, name a part of your body that makes sounds others can hear.
Your mouth.
Yeah, that's a good one. Bam! Got to nail it. Fly that plane, boy. What a good answer. Go on, Jesse. That's a good answer there, Jesse. Oh, yeah. No, I got this. No. Let me do this right here. I like people like this. That's just why I come to work. I know you want me to stop taking out this misery, but just let me, please, Monique, please. I know you won't say it because you love it. Sometimes when you meet crazy people, what you got to do is you got to let them go all the way out. You got to let them, when you see them, go on, boy. He said, no. Monique, I know you want to say it because you can't stand to see it.